Customized Implantable Medical Devices, or simply Custom IMD, is the name given to a research project funded by the European Commission. This video shows the particular case of the development of the lumbar spinal disc implant.
Custom IMD is a collaborative project in which the best professionals join their efforts to obtain a result that goes a step beyond the current state of the art. An online e-supply chain is being implemented to ensure an efficient flow among the different steps, from the moment that a new medical case is generated to the point that the customized part is delivered to the surgeon. The e-supply chain system deals with sensitive matters such as the management of confidential patient data and the compliance with the medical device regulations. Finding a good solution for lumbar disc replacement with customization is an extremely challenging goal.
The Sant Pau Hospital is a reference health center in Barcelona and Spain. The neurosurgical department at the hospital is involved in different research and innovation projects, such as the development of this disc prosthesis.
Well, the main advantage of this prosthesis, it has been developed within the Custom IMD project, is the fact that it is customized for every patient. It meets every patient a specific anatomy and every patient a specific need. It has been designed to avoid extrusion, and then I think it has a key feature in the fact that it may be implanted through minimally invasive techniques. Well, the fact that it's customized, it means that it fits every patient's needs, every patient's specific biomechanics. It restores the patient's biomechanics, and it also restores the height of the intervertebral disc. Then the fact that we have worked on the design for that the implant may be implanted by minimal invasive techniques means that the patient can go home earlier, and thus the patients have a faster recovery. Well, actually, any patient that has back pain and a degenerated disc, the implant solves back pain by substituting the nucleus of the intervertebral disc, by restoring the disc motion, and by restoring the biomechanics of the intervertebral disc. Well, the fact that we are surgeons, we have worked as end users providing feedback on the implant's design and the surgical feasibility of the implant.
Each customized implant will be designed at Neo's Surgery. Neo's Surgery creates new solutions for neurosurgical applications, which includes both cranial and spinal surgery.
NEOS acts as a bridge between the clinical and the technological part of the implant development. Our engineers are experts in biomaterials and in design, and they also work on a day-to-day basis with surgeons, so they understand their language. First of all, we worked hard to establish a system which could be applied to any kind of clinical infrastructure, be it a small or a large hospital or a private clinic. And secondly, as certified medical device manufacturers, we established strict quality protocol which allows the final customized implant to be certified. The opportunity has been to be able to work in a team side by side with the clinicians, engineers and designers, experts from all over Europe who understand the needs and the state of the art. We've been able to apply cutting-edge technology in IT, processing and biomaterials. NEO strives to offer patients and surgeons new solutions to their clinical needs. Customization and minimally invasive approaches maximize biomechanical benefits without compromising patient quality of life.
The Biomechanic Institute of Valencia is a technological center that helps companies to develop new medical devices that improve people's quality of life and allow doctors to perform a safer and easier clinical practice.
The Instituto de Biomecánica de Valencia is the biomechanical validator. We assess the biomechanical behavior of new customized implants, giving feedback to surgeons and design engineers about the mechanical performance, about the implant mechanical performance, and also giving them advices when necessary for design improvement. Two different and complementary approaches are being used. On one side, we perform physical tests on test machines to study the mechanical response of the implant, mechanical endurance and wear behavior of the implant. And on the other side, we use a virtual evaluation approach using finite element modeling techniques. We have a finite element model of the lumbar spine of the patient, and with this model we simulate the behavior of the new implants and study the response not only of the implant but also all the tissues of the lumbar spine. Finite element modeling allows the assessment of the implant's performance, avoiding the need of prototype manufacturing and physical testing, which are really time-consuming. And this is a really useful tool for design optimization and design evaluation of new implants before moving to the manufacturing stage. The combination of material and design of this new implant allows proper load distribution among the implant and the surrounding tissues of the spine, like the annulus or the vertebral end plates. This is really positive because load transmission to the annulus slows down the degenerative process of this tissue, and also a good stress distribution, a proper stress distribution across the vertebral end plates minimizes the risk of implant subsidence into the vertebral body. Moreover, this implant will restore the intervertebral disc height and will enable the patient to have a physiological motion of the lumbar spine.
ASCAM is a technology center located in Barcelona, Spain. Specialists in design and manufacturing technologies. ASCAM is a custom IMD project leader, coordinating all activities inside the project. Technically, it contributes to the design and production of fully customized implants and the online e-supply chain platform.
Rapid tooling is a technique to manufacture injection tools by rapid manufacturing technologies. In our case, we use direct laser metal sintering. This technology uses a laser to melt locally a metal powder. As parts are built layer by layer, complex geometries can be manufactured directly from 3D CAD information. We can build geometries which cannot be built by conventional manufacturing technologies. Rapid tooling is necessary to manufacture the spinal implants because the material properties do not meet the product requirements, so the product cannot be manufactured directly by rapid manufacturing. Time and cost for the manufacture of the tool can be greatly reduced by the use of rapid tooling technologies compared to conventional technologies. The mold has a standard structure. Only the insert parts are customized with the specific shape needed by the patient. A process for quick inserts designed and manufactured by rapid tooling has been developed by ASCAM. We also follow a strict testing protocol on the final mold to make sure that the tool will produce the exact shape needed by the patient.
IMPLAS, the Technological Institute for Plastics in Valencia, Spain, was responsible for the manufacturing of the spinal prostheses prototypes by injection molding. IMPLAS is a leading research center in plastic materials and plastics processing.
Injection molding is a well-known and rapid manufacturing technique for plastics, and it gives fairly good mechanical properties and dimensional tolerances. The material we chose for this kind of implant, it's a material that it's completely biocompatible. It has similar mechanical properties to those of the disc nucleus, and besides that, it is easily processable by injection molding. The customization of the implant was actually the most challenging factor. We wanted to find a design that was functional, that could be customized, and at the same time that could be processed by injection molding. For customization, that implies that for each single case, the shape and the dimensions of the implant changes. And this is very innovative for the injection molding industry, which is used to larger production runs.